Is this project the next WIF, the Dog Wif Hat? And in case you don't know Dog Wif Hat, it's a project that reached recently a market cap of 4.5 billion or even almost 5 billion. And this project is from a founder. And this founder bought the other project, Cat own Kimono. We talked already multiple times about Cat own Kimono on the channel, and as you can see, we made already several videos. The first video was at a market cap of only 2 million. The project reached a market cap high of almost 30 billion. So we made a nice 15x. Of course, only if you took some profits, otherwise you're still in the game. And why I'm so bullish still on Cat own Kimono, I will tell you guys. I will tell you. The team is still super active. Every day there are Twitter spaces. We're gonna check out Twitter, what are the latest developments and what's more. So look at this chart. I see several people panicking right now and thinking, I need to sell my bag, I need to get out. And yeah, I want to talk about this chart of COK and maybe compare it to WIF, because of course WIF reached a market cap of 5 billion. And what do we see in the beginning of WIF? Do we see pullbacks there, or was it just one straight line to the moon? That is what we're gonna find out in this video, guys. If you're still here watching the video, don't forget to like, but also subscribe. Stay up to date about upcoming gems and also crypto market updates and many more things. Because we reached 5,000 and I would love to reach 6,000 at the end of this month. So help me, support me, and I will support you with new projects. We're gonna start with the WIF chart. After that, we go to the COK Twitter page and talk about, hey, what is ongoing, what can we expect, what kind of developments are there. So let's start with the WIF chart. And if we zoom in and we go back in time and we do also 2 hours, we need to go far in time. So before this massive pump. So here, of course, in the beginning of WIF, we see that it launched at a market cap of around 11k. It goes up to 500k. It goes down and it goes up, it goes down. And this is the moment. This was the moment it goes from 100k all the way up to 3 million. But after the 3 million, we see a big pullback to 1 million. So 33% was left, 77% dip. And then we see another up run. And then again, it bounced from 12 million to 3 million. Again, 70% dip, like 70%. And I think this happens multiple times. Again, we see an up run, 92 mil, back to 34 million. Again, from here to here, 60%. And if we look at the Cat own Kimono chart, currently we see a dip of 80%. Of course, it's a little bit more, but it is healthy. It is healthy to have such kind of dips in meme coins, like several 70% dips. And again, here, even from the 360 million from here to here was also 65%. And now you see the first major up run all the way up to 350 million. We saw a dip of 80%. 80, guys. So it is healthy, and you see the same pattern, like you see a huge up run, same as here, huge up run, then you see a pullback. And if the project revive, you can expect a way higher top. But of course, here, if we zoom in, we see the same. We see that it has people taking profits, and again up, people taking profits, and again up, but it never goes up only. And here, the same, the second top, we can see that from here to here was also 65%. So I think we are still good with Cat own Kimono, and this was the moment, yeah, it really took off. And but also here you see a pullback, and then a pullback from here to here was another 100% up. So yeah, I'm still bullish on Cat own Kimono. I think it can play out like we go sideways depending on Solana, and then up, having this like this. And then of course, this is how it's gonna look like. And then of course it can go higher, and then we can expect, if we do here, it goes higher, we test the previous drop, maybe again a 60% drop from the top, and then again the same story happens. But we don't know for sure, but it is very reasonable. This is the WIF chart, guys. And yeah, why a project of 5 billion? Yeah, it has also pullbacks. It's not always a scam. It's very healthy and very normal in meme coins. And if we check currently out the Solana chart, we can see that Solana is also back at 133. And yeah, of course, it needs more price action on Solana Solana too. COK Kimono increased the price too. But I think if Solana recovers, it is a great and very huge chance that COK Kimono is also going back and see the same pattern as the beginning of WIF. Imagine guys, if we reach a market cap of only 500 million. 500 million is still like a 100x from here. 100x from here. And yeah, it is very doable. Like, it is very doable, and that's one of the reasons I believe long term in COK Kimono. The team is still active. They have everyday spaces. The community takeover team is there. They listed recently on an exchange. A lot of Twitter spaces with the community and a lot of listeners also. Every single day, a lot of people supporting the project on their own Twitter page. What else do we see? There was recently a listing of Maxi, but also Bitvenus on July 5. So there is more exchanges coming. They really want to build and expand their reach because they want to have more people getting able to buy the project. Also people without knowledge about Phantom Wallet and stuff like that. So let's check it out. Yeah, this is already 22 of June. So right now, new exchange listing upcoming, everyday spaces. So if you have questions, join the spaces, ask your questions, and I see you at the next nice run of COK. So see you in the next video guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.